All right, so I got the rib kit unboxed, and I'm just going to talk about that and then some of the materials I bought or tools I bought to do the install. So starting with the front, we have these Blistine struts, springs, these Agile off-road assemblies that go on the top and bottom of the springs. So that's kind of fancy. The Smarter Than Dirt seal savers. So those came. All this stuff for the kit weighs around 300 pounds. A lot of that weight's in the leaf springs, which you can't see in this exact scene. In the back, we have these Fox shocks. And these are pretty beefy, a lot of girth in these. So hopefully that helps with the ride. Looks like we got some brake line here with fuel hose over it to protect it. So that's kind of cool. Some linkages. This is, I think, Agile Off-Road's equivalent of the Baja bracket with all the bolts and hardware you need to install it. Packaged right on there. Not 100% sure what this is. There's a lot of components that have QR codes to to product pages, but not like a whole manual for this whole thing. So that's kind of odd. More do that there. These are 4 big U-bolts for our suspension. And then what do we got? We got 4 of these spacers. So this will make, if you think of the wheelbase will be just a little wider. If we had 20 millimeters on either side, that's 40 millimeters, so about that much wider. And that should help with that side-to-side stability. And so we got new lug nuts, some red Loctite, and then our lug bolts and then Loctite for those. I have a lot of tools already, and I'll put an Amazon link, hopefully like a spreadsheet with all the affiliate links to the tools I bought on Amazon for this job. But I have this torque key wrench set, which I'm not sure if I'll need. The idea was to tighten the tops of these down, and these are hex sockets, so they're not Torx sockets. So that might be a return. And then I got an impact driver set. The other specialized tool in a Ryobi and impact driver. These are the idea is that you could put one of these sockets on top of here and then put your hex key in there and tighten that. So that's that idea.
If you're going to do this as a DIY project, which I think most people can do, especially if they don't want to spend $2,000 to $3,000 paying someone else to do this, you get to buy all these fun tools. Now, I've got a link in the description below to my Amazon affiliate page where you can buy everything you need, tools and materials wise, that you're not going to get from Agile Off-Road to do this job. So take a look at that in the description below. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around.